Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question to this video, and we have this tyrant AB that is exerting 250 Newton force on the steering knuckle AO as shown, and we need to replace this force by an equivalent force couple system at point O. So we are asked to find the force couple system, meaning we need the force and we need a couple. So the only force that we have in this question is the force F, and if we want to show that in a vector form, we know this is our x and y, so this will be the x component and this will be our y component. This angle here we know is 10 degrees from the question. So we want to show the force F, we have the x component 250 sine of 10 degrees as our x component, and we have f 250 cosine of 10 degrees as our j component. And if we calculate this for x component, we get 43.4 I, and for y component we get 246.2 j, and this is going to be in Newton. So that's the force part. So force is done, and we have to find the moment or the couple about point O, counterclockwise positive as always. And if we do that, we have the moment of both x and y component. Let's go with the x. So as we can see, the moment is in this direction, so clockwise we have a negative sign since the moment is going to be clockwise, so minus 43.4 times the distance, which is what we have from here to here, or 50 millimeter, and we're going to divide it by 1000 to get it in meter. And we have the moment of y component also clockwise about point O, so again negative 246.2 times distance would be what we have from point O to the line of action of the force, which is 235 millimeter divided by 1000, and that's going to give us the moment, which will be minus 2.17 minus 57.86, and this is going to give us 60.03 Newton meter. And since the moment is negative, it's going to be a clockwise moment, and that's going to be the couple part of the question and the final answer for this question. So yeah, hope you guys find it helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer that. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It's going to help me to reach out to more students. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.